Agile transformations often start strong, but then they stall. Teams struggle to adapt, and real agility never seems to take hold. Sounds familiar? That is because true agility isn't a framework you install, it's a skill you develop. And that is where Agile Kata makes the difference. Agile Kata is a structured approach that helps you build agility as a habit. Inspired by Toyota Kata, it provides a simple, repeatable routine to drive continuous improvement at all levels of your organization. Our training takes you beyond theory. You will learn how to apply Agile Kata to develop high-performing teams, scale agility, and sustain lasting change. Learn about the starter kata, improvement kata, and coaching kata in the context of the Agile Kata. Through hands-on exercises, real-world discussions, and expert guidance, you will gain practical tools to lead agile transformations. Whether you're a team member, scrum master, product owner, or leader. Plus, with Agile Kata certifications, you will validate your expertise and stand out as a leader in agile change management. Agility isn't something you implement, it is something you practice. Join my Agile Kata training and get certified. Sign up today at effectiveagile.com. Let's turn Agile into a habit together.